Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I and my mom will go to Lime Resort, Manila. Malapit siya sa MOA and binook ko siya sa Klook. So you can use my code CGSL5 off for 80% off on Klook activities and 5% off on Klook hotels. So para mas makatipid kayo. And here's my outfit. Yung slippers, iiwan ko to parang flip-flops yung pink. I bought this sa Indonesia. Top is from TikTok. Meron din sa Shopee. And two-way siya. Ayan. Mamayang gabi, balak ko i-switch yung yung susuotin ko mamayang gabi. Ngayon, conservative kunyari. Charot. Shorts from Shopee or Orange Shop. Ayan. Watch from Swatch. Ayan. Yung lips ko ngayon is Maybelline. Yun lang muna ang nilagay ko. And then yung face ko, naglagay lang ako ng Bello Tinted Sunscreen. Lagi ko siyang ginagamit para fresh lang. Tsaka sabi nga nila, dapat laging mag-sunscreen. Ayan. Let's G! We booked deluxe twin room Bayview with breakfast. Pagpasok mo merong safe hanger cabinet, blower, chinelas, ref, complimentary coffee and tea, twin bed, pwede pagsama or separate. Free wifi nga pala sila, malakas, tapos may YouTube, pwede kayo manood ng movie. Sa Klook namin to binook for 4,544 pesos. May table dito, pwede kayo mag-work, tas may mirror. Terrace dito, dapat Bayview to, kaya lang parang may ginagawa dyan. Makikita mo dito yung pool, tsaka yung Lime Beach Club. Good morning! Kapamswimsuit na ako. Tapos shorts para tatanggalin na lang mamaya for swimming. Pero breakfast muna kami. Check out na kami. Ito yung outfit namin. This is from Indonesia. Tapos shorts from Orange App, Shopee. Top from TikTok Shop, House of Lulu. Or basta may isang shop. Yeah. Necklace from Tala by Kyla. Gift from my best friend. Yeah.